Alright, so it seems like all over YouTube there is no videos for a 7.3 IDI glow plug removal, or not glow plug removal, but block heater. So, here's a big old beast. Oh, pop the hood. So that, my friends, is an old POS. But she's got 300,000 miles on her and she's good. So anyways, so your block heater, well, first off, so your block heater plugs in right there, okay? And as you see the wires back there, they run all the way into the back above the frame rail, okay? They go all the way across the top there, as you can see, okay? And they come right there, come right back down there by your starter, and there it is right there. That is your block heater. From what I can see, of course I'm not going to be able to get my phone down in there. Here, hold on, let me turn the light on. There we go. Let's see if we can't see it now. Okay, I'm probably upside down, sorry. Let's see, I can't see a damn thing. So that's it right there. Pretty sure it's above the damn starter. Focus, you fuck. Anyways, so that's it right there. And there's some kind of flathead that unscrews it out of the port. And you gotta unplug it, pull it out. Let's see if we can see it at a better location. So, same thing. But from what I can see, there's a screwdriver. Looks like a flathead. I'm not climbing under it right now. But there's a screwdriver underneath of it. There's a flathead, and you got to unscrew the flathead, and it takes the pressure off of it. So we'll be doing that tomorrow.